I never made it.
What up, everybody? Chimpo out here at LIS Audio. Wanted to do a little educational video, kind of letting you know what we do with our Hushmat and its advantages. Almost every vehicle you see on the road is going to have this weather stripping behind the door panel, which keeps the outside environment on the outside of the door panel and lets it separate it from the inside environment. But all that does is keep mostly moisture out of there. Now, when we put Hushmat on, it's going to seal up the holes and create like a cabinet for the speaker in the door so that it has more efficiency and can perform a little better. Also, the Hushmat inside the door is going to reduce those vibrations.
Mission control, do you read me? Silly my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this.
Now that we've got all the Hushmat installed, got it on the outer skins and inner skins, we'll do the knock test so you can see the differences. And you're going to hear how the vibration changes from now before the Hushmat to after later when we add it. And you can tell it's just fairly hollow as is. A lot more solid, not as hollow sounding now. Rigid. So that's what we're looking for. Created a cabinet, sealed all those holes that were in there before. Those are all gone now. Now it's one solid piece, much more solid of a surface. Good to go.